You might be cleaning your facility every single day, but that does not mean you're eliminating Salmonella. And this is one of the most dangerous mistakes in the food industry. In a recent environmental analysis, Salmonella was detected, even with an active sanitation process in place. That means the company was cleaning, but not controlling the risk. And this happens more often than you think. Using peracetic acid, chlorine, or any sanitizer doesn't guarantee anything by itself. Without proper concentration, contact time, and validation, you're just creating a false sense of security. The real question is, does this process actually eliminate Salmonella? Or does it just reduce it? Or worse, do nothing at all? If your environment is contaminated, your cleaning won't solve the problem. Food safety is not about applying chemicals. It's about validating processes. You need concentration control, defined contact time, microbiological validation, environmental monitoring by zones. Without this, you don't have control. You have luck. If you work in food production, remember this: cleaning does not guarantee safety. Risk control does. If you want to grow in quality in food safety, follow this channel. I show you what really happens inside the industry.